Just what you batting it?
You get the ball?
I thought you just said get the bat.
No.
See, it doesn't work. You can't see it.
Oh.
You look so cute, it's retarded. It got stuck. Yo, you are connecting with these balls.
Alright, try to go stand over there and try to get me the bat. Like the ball.
You know what?
Hurry up.
Just
Sit. Oh, that fucking hurt. You get that?
it's not showing them. You can't see anything through this thing.
Then put the camera up to the fucking pole.
But then I just have to keep it in one spot when I do that.
Like, this is the perfect fucking round. They're gonna have to come in here with me. Not now.
There's a person working right there.